Oh, Scotty, what showed up?
Oh, I can't show you that on film.
That's what you do later.
It's up to you.
It's up to you.
So we have
Scotty's nickname is Twink Hunter.
What?
Twink Hunter.
I thought you said something else right now.
Twix. Because you're never yourself when you're hungry.
That's a Snickers.
That was good.
That's a Snickers.
That was fucking good.
That's a Snickers. Anyway, guess what showed up, boys and girls?
Okay, here we go.
Ladies and gentlemen.
From the one, the only, Waldron's exhaust.
That's funny because that was in the shot and fell off the wall.
I knew it.
I gotta run the screw back out a little bit out of the wall.
Okay, so like I was saying, from Waldron's exhaust, we have the entire exhaust system for our
For the Pierre Cardin Evolution.
Evolution.
Which, once this is out of
Wonderful
here,
car is on its way back to its storage spot when the transmission's out.
because that's a nightmare in its own,
Correct.
Mr. Pierre is going to come in for part of his work.
Yep.
And then while he's out and the suspension's getting handled on that, this one will hopefully be done and leave.
Yes.
And then the other Mustang will be ready to be done and leaving.
Yep.
And then Pierre can be...
We can focus on it. It's a beautiful car, dude. I've never seen one up front or up close until
So, one
that
side.
black one.
That's the only one I've ever seen in real life.
Then
Yeah.
here. Whoa, there's a drain thing for coolant back here.
Yeah. And did you see how they put
The
the return springs on it? Yeah, we'll do a video on that. That's ridiculous. Anyway, sorry, off topic. But yeah, the exhaust is here. Scotty, would you like to
Yes.
undo the gift wrap? Can we get a drum roll? Can we get a drum roll? Ooh, burns you with a drum roll.
I mean, this is really, really nice.
This is well done. Ooh.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, I mean, brackets and...
This is why this isn't cheap, boys and girls. Got a razor blade? Do you have to go pull it off the mirror?
Yes. I left the credit card, though.
What about the straw or the water rolled up dollar bill?
No, that's what's in my water.
Of course we did. Everything's a Coke joke. Wow.
Yeah, this is...
Bernsey,
That's nice.
that's a nice piece.
Yeah.
I can see it from here.
Yeah.
Right?
I mean, this is really...
I'm trying to
really
show
nice.
it, and the box is in the way, Scott. Thank you.
My box is in the way. What?
That's what she said.
Bum, bum. Tch. I mean,
I see it was
bracket-
extra flappy.
Yeah. And what did I do? Throw it on the floor because it gets abused.
Oh, that's good.
Oh my God, we are the most inappropriate videos of all time.
I mean, that is really, really nice.
Look at that. That's the exit right here. Look at how nice they did that.
See, that's... It's got to be the passenger side. That's nice.
Thank God you're good at cleaning.
You know what's funny?
What?
Bet you when the video is done, he's like, all right, guys, I'm out.
You better clean this mess up. Well, we have to do one more video on the Mustang, too. And he's going to airdrop whatever he shot. Look at you pretending to be a kid on Christmas. I got a muffler! Wow. Look, and it's labeled. That's the outlet.
Never makes
slot
any
there.
noise.
You're on the wrong
Other way.
end. They labeled it.
A little bit better.
That's better. Look at that,
Kept you
though.
pretty quiet, though.
And Scotty's always loud.
Yeah, I
so
need one on my butt.
You need one on
Why
you.
that?
Wow, with the right flange.
Yep. 81 Caddy. Eldorado rear X pipe.
That's not an X.
Exhaust pipe. EX.
X pipe. EX.
Exhaust
X.
pipe.
EX. X. That's how you. I got a big, huge, long, hard thing between my legs that I can hit you with. Biggest you've ever seen.
He didn't say don't hit me, Poppy.
He didn't. That's so. I mean, just saying.
Oh, God. We are being
Wait,
inappropriate.
hold on.
Ooh, more pipe.
Turn down for what?
Is that a saxophone or a trunk? Or are you just happy to see me?
Good, I still can't see you.
Down Periscope.
It'd be
All right.
If there was some mirrors on there.
So we're gonna go put this with the car.
show it at the car?
No, the car's too nice.
Yes, we like the car.
Yes. Anyway, that's promising because
Yes, it is.
that actually came faster than it was supposed to.
Yeah, that's really, really
They
nice.
told me
Like,
6 months, and I think that invoice that they shipped with it said January 28th. It's the pink paper, something like that. So that would be less than 3, or 3-ish. What's the date?
1/23/24.
Okay, so we're less than 4 months. We're like 2.5 months or 3.5 months. That's not bad.
No, that's actually
When
really
they told
good.
me 5 to 6, so
Yeah.
So
that makes
white
me
pipe?
happy. No, this is from the back of the white pipe back.
Yeah.
Because the stuff white pipe forward was pretty nice. So.
Yep.
All right, well, let's clean this mess up, and we'll put this stuff with the car, and then sooner rather than later, the car will be in here.
Sounds good, guys. And on that note,